Hello children, I hope all of you are fine and in best of your health. Today we are going to read about the bridges of the world. The chapter name is Bridge the Gap. Let us see some of these world's best engineering marvels. These bridges are widely recognized and well known for their architectural excellence. The first bridge that we are going to do is the Brooklyn Bridge in New York City. It was completed in the year 1883 and it goes through the river East River. For a long time, it was the longest suspension bridge in the world and has become an iconic landmark of New York City. The bridge has a wide pedestrian walkway open to cyclists and people on foot. That is, people can also walk over the bridge, especially there is a lane for the cyclists and the people who go on foot. Let us come to the next bridge. This is the Qingdao Hawaiian Bridge in China. It was the world's longest bridge. It was opened in 2007. The bridge is 42.4 km long. This bridge has got 6 lanes to serve as an estimated 30,000 cars each day. You can imagine how wide it is. There are 6 lanes and 30,000 cars can move each day across it. Let us come to the next bridge, the Tower Bridge. It is located in London over the River Thames. It is a movable suspension bridge. It is next to the Tower of London and has been an iconic symbol of London for decades. Iconic means that it is widely known and acknowledged for its distinctive features, architectural design. It took 8 years for the construction to be completed and was done by the year 1894. It is well known in London for decades. Let us come to the next bridge, that is the Bandra Worli Sea Link, officially called the Rajiv Gandhi Sea Link in Mumbai, India. It was inaugurated in June 2009, linking the main island of Mumbai to its suburbs. This bridge is India's first 8-lane freeway over the open sea. The bridge has been built to reduce traffic congestion and to help commuters cut down their travel time. Who are commuters? You might be thinking, the people who have to go up and down covering certain areas because of their business or their daily routine. Those people are the commuters. So it has helped to reduce congestion as well as help these people to cut down their travel time. Let us come to another bridge. That is the Pearl Bridge in Japan. It was completed in the year 1998 and is the world's longest cable suspension bridge. The bridge connects the island of Hawaii to Honshu. Before the bridge was built, the only way of commuting was the passenger ferry, which would often experience dangerous storms. So, it helped the commuters to go easily as well as they were able to keep themselves safe from the dangerous storms. It is also a piece of excellence. Now, let us come to the next one. That is the Sydney Harbour Bridge. Located in Sydney, Australia, near the Sydney Opera House. It is a steel arch bridge across the Sydney Harbour. The bridge was opened in 1932 and was Sydney's tallest steel and arch bridges, measuring 134 meters from top to the sea level. The bridge is also called the coat hanger. It is called the coat hanger because of its unique design, which actually looks like a coat hanger. Now let us come to the quick quiz. Here is a quiz for you. You have to see the bridge and name the river on which it is built. The first one, the Howrah Bridge. It stands on River Hooghly. Next one, the Millau Bridge. It is on River Tarn. Next is the Golden Gate Bridge, which is built on Golden Gate Strait. Let us see some of the architectural designs and the name of the bridges. Here it is written, draw lines to match the pictures with the forms of the bridges that they are. You can see the first bridge. It has a shape of an arc and is hence called the arch bridge because of the arc shape. The next bridge is the cantilever bridge. The third one is the suspension bridge. So these are some of the forms of bridges which are given by line design in your book. Children, I hope you have understood the chapter on the bridges, and keep learning and be safe. Keep taking care of your health and be safe and fit. Thank you.